Dear students, now I am going to present a lecture on recent trends in marketing. Under this, I am going to give details about green marketing. See, green marketing means, according to the American Marketing Association, green marketing is the marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. On account of increasing global warming and other ecological disorder, a need for environment friendly products and services has arisen. And marketers these days, either due to government pressure or as a social responsibility, has taken up green marketing, that is marketing products and services based on environmental factors or awareness. So green marketing is not just producing environment friendly products, it also includes decisions relating to the entire process of company's products, such as methods of processing, packing, and distribution. This concept also applies to marketing of services, example, ecotourism, green capital, etc. This is the meaning of green marketing. Then characteristics of green marketing. Products naturally grown. Products are recyclable, reusable, and biodegradable. Products contains natural ingredients without preservatives. Products are made in a way that they do not damage or pollute the environment. So products packing is eco-friendly. So these are all the some characteristics of this green marketing. That is, products naturally grown. Products are recyclable, reusable, then products contain natural ingredients without preservatives, then products packing is eco-friendly, like that. Then what is the need or importance or benefit of this green marketing? What is the need of this green marketing? Students, there is growing internet among the consumers all over the world. So regarding protection of environment, so our quality of life is increasing, and also to fulfill the obligation of social responsibilities towards society, to comply with governmental policies and pressures, to be ahead of competitors, green marketing can be used as strategy. So to defeat the competitors, to win the consumers, this green marketing strategy is used by the manufacturing companies or business organizations, and helps in reducing costs on account of recycling. So due to this green marketing concept, it is possible to make recycling. Definitely it helps reducing cost, helps in accessing a new markets where environment standards are given prime importance. That is developed nations. That is, it helps green marketing concept helps in accessing the new market where environmental standards are given prime importance. Then employees feel proud for being part of environmentally responsible company. That is, employees feel proud because we are protecting our environment, we are protecting our lives, like that. Then customers also feel satisfied by using green products as they contribute to nature. So these are some benefits of this green marketing. Then problems and challenges. Firms may use green marketing to mislead the customers by means of giving false information. This is one problem. Then educating all the customers about use and need of green products is difficult because customers, they have their own views. So educating them, advising them is too difficult. Then environmental policies are not uniform throughout the country and across the globe. This makes standardization of products difficult. So environmental policies framed by the government are different from nation to nation, like that. This is also one problem. Then green marketing involves huge capital investments in adopting environmentally friendly technological and SME may not offer this. Then established companies fear alienating their base of mainstream consumers by appealing to the green consumers. So these are all some details about green marketing, features and problems and challenges and advantages. So today I am going to conclude this session. So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you, one and all.